Welcome, everybody, to the 47th edition of the Advanced Dungeons and Dynamics 365 Bare Bones Configuration live stream. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to be finishing off possibly the product information management section, and we're going to be creating, some product relationships and maybe change management in the system. So, for those of you that haven't seen what we're doing here, what we're doing is we're going out and we're configuring Dynamics 365 from the ground up. So we're going out and we've built up the system. We've done quite a lot over the past nearly 50 episodes, and we've created all the base environment. We've gone out and created the ledger. We've done all the financials. And now what we're doing is we're moving into the supply chain management. So so let's just jump in, and we'll talk about the system a little bit more as we go through. So what we're doing is, for those of you that haven't seen it, what we've got is, let me go here. Let me see if I can. Then what we're doing is we're going out and we're configuring Dynamics. So this is the base lab environment that we've got. And just to give you a little bit of background as we're going through, as we go into like the products, that we've gone out and we've created a number of different products in the system. And some of these have got product images. We've gone out and created characteristics. We've done all of these things in the environment. So what we're going to do is we're going to work through the bare bones configuration guide. And for those of you that are interested in actually doing this yourself, let me pull this up. Then this is the whole guide. So this is what we're working through, and I've got all the instructions to help you go out if you want to configure Dynamics just like we're doing. Then you can actually do it. Get the guide and follow everything as we're going through. So I thought I'd just pop that up. But what we're going to do is we're working through one of the last modules that we've got here on the configuration guides. And this is, we're really just tidying up the products. And what we're doing here is we're going to configure some product relationships. So not something that you necessarily need to do, but as we go out and as we create products, then we can say, we can create these relationships that says this product is sold with this product, or this is commonly purchased. So what we're going to do is we're going to move through this, and we're going to get through the preamble. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up some product relationships. And let me just check something that we've got here. So let's just leave this here. We'll see how the presentation works. But what we're going to do is we're going to set up some product relationships. And I think as we go through, what we're going to do is we're going to create some product relationship types. In this case, we're going to create one that says a customer purchased this at the same time as they bought another product. So let's go out and let's look at that and let's work through that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out and create some relationships, and we're going to go to the product relationships. So I'm just doing a search here, and I'm trying to find product relationship types. And as you can see, we can access this through the search. But also, if I want to, I can go to let's look at that. I can go to, for example, the product information management. We can go to setup. Let's go into here. Yeah, product information setup. And then we've got product relationship type. So let's go in and access that. Now, these are going to be really simple sort of configurations that we set up. So I'm going to create one here, and I'm going to call this customers also bought. And then this is I'm going to say customers also bought. And then I'm going to add a description here, and I'm going to make a more detailed description. Customers who bought this these. So this is the friendly name is sort of like just a general description, and the description is going to be a little bit more flowery around that. And what we can do is we can create some other ones that we can have here, and this could be accessories. Let's just fix this up. Bear with me for a second. And this is going to be accessories. And then this is going to be so I'm just going to save that. Let's just do a refresh. So we've got accessories, we've got the customers also bought, we've got bought together, and then this is going to be these products are frequently bought together. Alternatives. And products are alternative products for this product. Add spare parts. And then we'll add one last one, which is upsell. So now we've got a number of different product relationship types that we're going out and tracking. So now that we've got this is the easy part. And then what we can do is we're going to add these product relationships to the existing products that we've got. So we're going to do that within the release product. We can do this in a number of different ways. We can do it within the release product categories. We can also do within the release products themselves. So let's go over to the server, and let's use the release products by category. And what we've got is we've got our services here. We've got storage items, and maybe we've got clothing. And the boots and the tunics are sometimes bought together. So what we can do is we can go out and we can go into the product, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the open the release product, and we're going to find our product that we have, and then let's find this within the system. And this is something that I don't do often, but it's a really useful tool. And what we have is I was looking for the related products in the menu. And I've been using the menu search up here, but if we look in the action pane, there's actually a search here that we can go out and use. So what we're going to do is I did a search for related, and it's showing me that it's in the products and the setup. So if I look at this and then go over to the setup, then we've actually got the related products. So sometimes when you forget where the item is, sort of like we're doing here, then this will give us a little bit of a reminder of where to find this. So I'm going to find the related products. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new record in here for this related product. And this is the boots. And I can say I want to purchase a tunic at the same time. And this is a relationship type of customers frequently bought together. So now we've got sort of like a relationship between these items. And if I delete this, then also what I can do is I can go to the tunic and go to the related products. And I can go out and add another item here, which is for the boots. And I can say that this is frequently bought together here. And also I could say that for the boots, then maybe this is something that the customer also bought as well. Or maybe what I want to do is if someone buys a tunic, then maybe I want to upsell this. So what we've got is we've got a number of different sort of layers that we can track here for the setup of the product that we can manage. So this is a really useful sort of configuration component that we can use with the application. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to what we've done is we've now finished the related products. I'm not quite sure whether this this stream is giving me problems with possibly the speed. So what we're going to do is we're going to finish here, and then in the next live stream we're going to go along with the next configuration item, which is going to be the simple product change management in the system. So I hope this really short presentation was useful. Hopefully the speed of this is adequate for what we're trying to do. If not, then we're going to be doing some network maintenance for the next live stream. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop, and if anyone has any questions, and don't hesitate to contact me. You can find me on LinkedIn. You can find me in a number of different areas, and hopefully if you like this, then you can go out and you can start building up your own instance of Dynamics 365 and learn that this isn't really that hard to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop this live stream, and then I'll catch you on the next live stream.